how to find movies on Google Drive. Now, if you have a lot of files on your Google Drive and some of those files contain movies and you simply want to find them, it's as simple as filtering your searches on Google Drive. Now, to do so, you want to open up the Google Drive application. It is basically named as Drive. And once inside, we can then go ahead and see all of our files on our account right here. If you cannot go ahead and see the right files, you can just navigate through the profile icon. And inside, we can now go ahead and click and open the right account. Basically, once inside the right account here on your Drive application, all you have to do is to click on the search button. And once inside, you simply want to click on type. Inside type, of course, we want to filter out the search by clicking on videos. And from here, we can then go ahead and see all of the videos that we have from our Google Drive, making sure that we find the right movie here on our Google Drive. Now, in order to find your movie even more, you can now go ahead and search it, and it will only go ahead and show you videos from the keyword itself. If this video has been helpful, please leave us a like and subscribe. I'll see you again next time. Thank you.